That's insane, kiddo. No, wow, that's insane. This is the second group of them. The other group just flew off. But wow. I've never seen such a thing, I don't think. That's insane, kiddo. Oh, here. What do you think?
Yeah.
That's insane. You know what, growing up, birds didn't interest me at all, but as I'm getting older, I'm definitely enjoying bird watching, any kind of animal watching. It's like people. Each individual animal has such a personality, and you know what, I'm really starting to take joy in it. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but there's even more coming in up there. And another group already went. Like, so this has been going on. This has been going on for well over an hour. I swear we've seen like 3 or 4 groups come in, compile, and head north. So, you know what, that's signs of, we'll take that. That's signs of summer and spring for us. These are the moments you wish you had a zoom lens. I think that's gonna be our next investment. Well guys, it's that favorite time of year. We're out in the garden, we're getting dirty, we're doing all the spring cleanup. Mike's fixing all the eaves troughs and the rain gutters so we can collect our water all summer. And just kind of getting our garden and prepping all the dirt. One thing we do like to do in the fall is we leave all the old greenery from our flowers in and allow it to decompose into the beds over winter. We find it just adds some extra nutrients. So that's what we're dealing with now. And then this is the bed we've already worked in. You know what, the dirt is looking great this year. Last year we had added some fresh compost into it, so we'll probably try and add a little bit more of it this year. But yeah, so we're just taking the next couple weeks and getting our yard prepped, and then around May long weekend we should be able to throw everything into the garden. A couple weeks before May long weekend we'll sow in some of our cold crop seeds. So even though we started some pumpkins, we're gonna throw in some more of those seeds and our squash. We'll start the peas and radishes, and we could even start some lettuce probably in a couple weeks. What you doing?
Putting in our toes and putting them in a pile.
Somebody needs a haircut. It's almost time for Mike's spring shave, so we'll get the clippers out here one of these days and give him a new do.
Keeps my ears warm.
You know what? Some men are faithful. They always go to the hairdresser. They have to look tip-top. Not Mike. See what you're doing here? Look.
In a done box.
You're what?
I'm putting in done box.
What are you building? She's a country kid. She's gonna get dirty and get the stains, right? Are you making a paw?
Yeah.
Ooh, cool. Okay, let's make it. Get the wet sand, yeah. Get the wet sand from underneath. And we're gonna pile it in there. Let's see if we got a dog bone. Oh!
Deal with up with sand. that?
Mm-hmm. You ready?
Yeah.
Look.
Paw Patrol on.
Paw Patrol on the double? Can you sing?
No.
Yeah, it's temporary.
That's what we all say. Yeah, it's temporary, and then 20 years down the road.
It's still there.
What'd you got?
A paw.
A paw? Okay, can you flip it over for mommy? I did the other two. I think you could do this one. And you create a flat spot like this, and then we're gonna go like this. Here, hold on to it with me. Kind of dig a spot like that, and then you flip fast. And then you give it a pat, and a paw. Look, we got a paw. We got a little one that is really obsessed with Paw Patrol all of a sudden. Everything's Paw Patrol, so it's a good thing it's a popular kids series and you can find Paw Patrol stuff everywhere. The start of our rhubarb. You coming in there? Alright, so Mike's just working on building the girls a new park. The one we got, we had it handed down to us from his sister. And you know what, it was well used. It sat out in their yard and our weather is tough on everything. So we just wanted to build something a little bit more stable, a little bit more permanent. So, what are these, 8x8s?
Yeah, 6x6x8.
So we got some big posts.
6x6x8.
6x6x8s, I guess, and should make it a little bit more stabler than the 4x4s in the old park. Maybe eventually buy a new swing or two, but we're gonna utilize everything off that park on this park.
I love it when you build it perfect. Right to the standards you want, 16-inch centers.
Woo!
Where's it going?